Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Attachment to the temporal is the source of suffering. Loss may lead to real happiness. Some become saints by a lack of recognition. Regular residence are regular position. The universe is as the sutra thread of divinity. Creation lays in and is as a barrier. As long as we are alive in the human body, we have opportunity to advance spiritually. A devotee should have no frivolity. Knowledge, merit, demerit, and all other conditions of material creation must come to an end. Lack of self-control or bad company leads to any type of the exploitive and violative. We should strive to be the best in unalloyed devotion. Initiation should be according to scriptures. Try to be anonymous in service if possible. Worship in regard to the subject of planets, stars, animals, elements, and all entities. Grand and detailed ceremonial performances and harsh austerities don't prove understanding or do what attachment to divinity will do. One should give up mere analysis. False knowledge will allow the change in good plans and the buildup of animalistic qualities. All forms and references ultimately belong to divinity. Unreal dreams result from artificial imagination. Sent ones are to explain things to even the guards of the universe and sum up all spiritual instruction for beings of choice. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yellow, blue, red. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, all attractive, all pleasurable. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.